Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Journey. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a virtual environment and how to use it. First, go to location where you want to create virtual environment. This is the place I am going to create virtual environment. Then I am going to open it on my code editor, which is Visual Studio. Then open a new terminal to run command. Open a bash terminal. Then enter command. Command is python space -name space venv, then name of your virtual environment. In my case, it's test env, then press enter. After executing, you can see your environment has been created here. Then you can activate your environment giving path of your activation.bat file. It inside your folder name. In my case, it's test.env/script activate.bat. Then press enter. Or else you can select your environment, go to view, then command palette, then search select interpreter. In my case, it's available here. Enter interpreter, find, then select your python.exe file. Then open a new terminal. There you can see your environment has been activated now. Then we will use this environment by creating test file. I'm going to open a new Python file and enter few line of code. In my case, I didn't install any library to my environment yet. Because of that, scikit-learn not been imported. For that, I'm going to install scikit-learn. It will take few time. I will skip that part. After install process has been finished, you can see your error has been solved. Yeah, that's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video.